The 2D Drawings feature has a variety of dimension types that you can choose from to dimension or annotate 2D views and section views in your 2D drawings. To add a new dimension, go to Dimensions and then select a dimensioning tool. Then, select the items you want to dimension. Drag the dimension to reposition it anywhere you want. Dimensions you create snap at equal increments, allowing you to easily match your new dimensions to existing ones or place them symmetrically at a new location. To add annotations and tolerances to your dimensions, simply select the dimension and then select the dimension editor badge that appears. You can choose to turn on prefix text, tolerances, and suffix text to add necessary information to your dimension. For easy access, you can select any of the commonly used symbols available below the prefix and suffix text fields. To exit the Dimension Editor badge, select an empty space. To finish adding dimensions, select Done. To delete a dimension, select it. Then, choose Delete Selection from the menu.